What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Carrie, and I just wanted to bring you a video about another wig that I got. So I've had this wig for a moment now, and I plan to do the video, and it just, I don't know, I got sidetracked. I was thinking about weight loss, and I started doing a couple of weight loss videos, which I still have to do an update on my weight loss video. But I did have this wig that I wanted to show you. This wig is pretty much the same as the wig that I wore when I first did my first video, and I was able to find the wig. I saw two different colors, but the first color that I saw, which I really liked, it had a little blonde in it, I believe. A little blonde and a little, the darker brown color. They were sold out of that. So I was able to get one, and I got one in color 4. The wig that I had on in my first video, it was, I believe it was, the color was a 2. So this one's a 4, and I'm going to do a try on. It's made by a company called Freetress. Alright, and let's take it out and see. Let me give you a couple of specs on the video. I'm sorry, not the video. A couple of specs on the wig itself. So this is the tag here. Alright, it's as I said before, it's Freetress Equal Invisible L part, which I'll show you in just a moment. The style is called Chastity, and it's a number 4. Okay, and I think I'm pretty good with number 4. The wig that I had on the last time, it was pretty dark, which I'm okay with dark hair. I used to think that it made me look kind of, what was it, made me look a little hard, and I used to want something just a little lighter for me, but it didn't. I liked it. Now, it took me a while to wear it. I had it hanging on one of the heads for quite some time. So here we go. I'm taking it out of the mesh. Get rid of this. And let me show you. Okay, this is the top of it. And underneath, I guess this is the L shape that is described. Okay, now I don't remember if I was able to wear this. Let me take a look at it. I can't remember if I was able to wear it on the side, or I think you can probably do both. I think I wore mine on the side, if I'm not mistaken, but once I put it on, then I'll have a better idea of whether I could wear it on the side or not. Now, this comes with hair care instructions. It can be washed. It says do not use hot curler at regular setting. This fiber can only be curled at 380 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If wig hairs get frizzy, try any sheen spray or wig spray to calm the frizziness and the comb. Okay. So, sounds good to me. Now, oh, wait a minute. Trying to get this stuff out is tough, so I'm going to need some scissors. Okay. I was trying to find this company's website, but I didn't see it. Hopefully. Oh, look at that. It says shake and go. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, you want to shake and go. I do not want to spray, glue, mold. Look, I need convenience. That's the whole point of me wearing a wig, convenience. And some people, hey, more to them, more power to you if you can do all these different things, but I do not have time for stylists. I've met some stylists that seem pretty cool, and I think that I will more than likely let them either make some wigs for me, because I don't know how to make wigs, and I'll share that. But like I said, I need to, as they say, shake and go. Shake, shake, yeah. Alright, so I have my hair up right now in this, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Gray hair, gray, yes, granny. Why am I admitting that? But hey, you know, it is what it is. I am 49 years old. I'm going to be 50, so I got some goals. Alright, so this is actually my hair, my real hair. And as I said, I gotta, oh my god, I gotta do my hair. But when you are in a hurry, then it's so much easier to just take your hair and pull it back. There we go. I have it in my ponytail. Now I am going to get my wig cap. It's nylon wig cap that I'm going to put on my head. Once again, perfect for when you are in a hurry and you have to go to work and you do not have time to spray and glue, and I'm not sleeping with that. So I like some freedom. I like the freedom. That's why I don't do weaves. I like freedom. Okay. Alright, so got me all set up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put it on. There's a comb that's in the back, and I'm just feeling around to see if there's a comb. Yes, there's a comb, which feels like it's possibly on the side of the top. It's up here. That's where the comb is. I don't feel another one. Alright. And I really like the idea. Sometimes you just really don't want lengthy hair because it's on your back and maybe it's hot and you just don't feel like having lengthy hair. Sometimes you just want short hair. I enjoy the idea of it being curly as well. You know, nice curly hair. You know, this is wavy. Got a lot of fullness to it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to just simply brush it. That's it. Okay, brush the sides a little. Now, as I'm looking at myself in the monitor here, it looks pretty dark, but I believe probably in the sun, or maybe it's the lighting in here, but this is a lighter color than the one that I had before. But I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Instant style. Yeah. Yeah. Now, who doesn't want to just get up, you have some place to go, and just shake your hair out, put it on, boom, you're out the door, and you look good. Okay, who does not want to, oh, have a party? What time? I gotta get dressed in an hour? Okay, shake it out, put it on, let's go. None of that gluing. No, don't think so. Okay. I have no problem letting somebody know that I'm wearing a wig. No problem whatsoever. Okay. Now the part. Oh, let me see, because I still see a little bit of my own. I see a little bit of the stocking cap coming out. Now, one other thing that I did learn how to do, and I guess I'll do it with this wig, but the part, if you'd like to make it look just a little bit more natural, you could take a little bit of foundation. Ooh, I have several, so I'm trying to figure out which one did I run out of. This looks like the one I ran out of. So let me try this one right here. Okay, this one, I jump between foundation, so I mean it really doesn't. I'm not doing a video on is this gone too? I'm just out of stuff. No, I can't possibly be out of stuff. No, not at all. Okay, well, whichever. Because there's still residue in there. Okay. Yep, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna need my, ooh, I gotta be careful because I do not want this stinging. Okay. So just dab it just a little bit. Okay, so that to me, well, that's a little too much, I feel. So, where's my sponge? Sponge someplace. I don't know about that. That's a little too overkill for me. Normally I don't do this. Normally I won't put it on there because the part is so tight that it kind of, is neither here nor there. But, oh, like I was saying before, some people really care about, whether somebody knows they have a wig or not. It's not that big a deal for me. I remember just recently, last week, I had to go to the doctor about my neck because my neck is really killing me, and I had to get x-rays. So when the lady put me next to the machine, she wanted to make sure that, I had to take my necklace off and take off my earrings because that's probably going to, do something with, interfere with the x-ray, and then they'd have to redo it. So, I knew that the wig that I was wearing, it actually had a comb in the back. So, I told her, hey, you want me to take it off? She says, please. And I did it. I just took it off. It wasn't that big a deal. So not. She was like, oh, you're so easy. Yeah, there's no shame in my game. I mean, I have hair. And even if I didn't, it's so understandable. It's so understandable, regardless of whether you're wearing a wig because it's fun, it's convenient. You may have hair. You can do your own hair. Or maybe, you've had cancer before. I've had cancer. Luckily for me, I caught my cancer early, and I didn't have to do the radiation, which I'm so thankful for. But even if you are suffering from that, and I know there's a lot of apprehension, but, they're wigs. They're meant to cover and enhance. So, you enjoy. But and everybody has to get to their own comfort level when it comes to wearing wigs. But okay, so I'm pretty much done. I think I kind of fixed it up a little bit. If you can see. Okay, yeah, you're still gonna see, that actually no, I think that looks pretty good. That looks pretty natural. I didn't do too bad there. Yeah. Okay, that looks like my hair. Or my scalp, rather. Alright. Oh, yeah. Now, when I first bought this hair, I said, I don't know, I don't really care for the curl too much. I mean, this is when I had the really dark one in my first video. So it sat on my wig for a while before I decided, okay, I'm just going to wear it over a weekend. Let's see how it is. Let me see how comfortable it is on me. Let me see if I, I'm too self-conscious about it. Because, of course, we don't want our wigs to look wiggy. That I don't like. So that's a no-go. You don't want the wiggy, okay? But, if it's pretty and it compliments you, then yeah, I'm all for wigs. I'm 100% wig. Okay, so I'm just going to turn so that you can see. Let's do that slow motion. Alright, let me go to the other side. Yeah. Well, I will be going out for brunch today. Yeah, I got some hair. some fancy hair. I got some hair, I got some hair, some fancy hair. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to go out and have brunch today and show my hair off. Okay? Well, so like I said, if you like this wig, once again, it's by Equal. And it's an invisible L part wig. The style is called Chastity. Chastity. And this color is number 4. I have had the color 2. Let me see, what are some of the other colors it comes in? Oh, okay, so the available colors are 1, 1B, 2, 4, and a whole host of other ones. I think I might get me another one, because I really like this. Okay, curling iron, safe up to 400 degrees, and you can curl it. You can hit it, but I don't have to do that because, I mean, I like to curl, so, yeah. All right, until then, see you next time. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video and you want to see more, let me know what you're interested in the description, in the comment section below. And please hit like, help a sister out, subscribe, and until then, see you. Bye.